Discover the 10 best houseplants for enhancing your health. On the lookout for a healthier living environment, the addition of houseplants has come forward as a delightful and effective way to enhance well-being. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, certain houseplants are celebrated for their remarkable ability to purify air, reduce stress, and even improve sleep quality. This exploration looks into the top 10 houseplants for enhancing your health that are not only easy to maintain, but offer significant benefits. From the oxygen-rich Areca Palm to the ever-popular Aloe Vera, each plant in this list brings its unique blend of advantages, making them the perfect green companions for your home. Let's discover how these natural wonders can transform your living space into a haven of health and tranquility. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender, scientifically known as lavandula, is a fragrant herb celebrated for its remarkable soothing properties. Its beautiful blooms are not just visually appealing, they possess the power to reduce stress and anxiety, making it a natural remedy for relaxation and improved sleep quality. The calming aroma of lavender can work wonders, alleviating headaches and even mild pain. Placing a potted lavender plant in your bedroom not only adds a touch of elegance to your decor, but also creates a serene atmosphere that is highly conducive to restful nights. Lavender stands as a fragrant guardian of tranquility, enhancing both your physical and mental well-being. Number 2. Jasmine. Jasmine offers more than just a sweet scent, it holds the key to mood enhancement. The delicate and captivating aroma of jasmine flowers has the remarkable ability to reduce stress levels and elevate one's mood. This fragrant plant is a popular choice in aromatherapy due to its capacity to increase alertness, boost energy levels, and contribute to overall well-being. Inhaling the intoxicating scent of jasmine can transport you to a world of calm and positivity. Whether used in essential oils or enjoyed as blossoms, jasmine's fragrant embrace is a natural pathway to a happier and more relaxed state of mind. Number 3. Bamboo palm. The bamboo palm is a stellar choice for improving indoor air quality. This hardworking plant excels at removing indoor air pollutants, including harmful compounds like formaldehyde and benzene. Its ability to cleanse the air makes it particularly valuable for homes and offices with limited access to natural light, as it thrives in low-light conditions. Beyond its health benefits, the bamboo palm adds a refreshing touch of greenery to your indoor space, enhancing the air you breathe and also the aesthetics of your environment. It's a natural green sentinel guarding your well-being. Number 4. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums, also known as Chrysanthemum morifolium, are not just visually captivating flowers, they double as natural air purifiers. These charming blooms are skilled at filtering out common indoor air pollutants, such as ammonia and benzene, making them ideal companions for cleaner indoor air. Additionally, chrysanthemum tea, brewed from the petals, offers a delightful way to reap health benefits. Known for its potential to improve respiratory health and soothe nerves, this floral elixir provides a soothing and aromatic remedy, further enhancing the wellness contributions of the chrysanthemum plant to your living environment. Number 5. Areca Palm. The Areca Palm is a true champion among air-purifying plants. Its impressive capabilities go beyond mere aesthetics. This remarkable plant excels at removing harmful indoor toxins, effectively cleansing the air you breathe. What sets the Areca Palm apart is its unique quality of adding moisture to the air, a feature that's particularly valuable in dry indoor environments. By doing so, it detoxifies the air and contributes to improved overall air quality, creating a healthier and more comfortable living space. Number 6. Orchid. Orchids, belonging to the family Orchidaceae, are renowned for their elegance and beauty, but their contributions go far beyond aesthetics. These exquisite plants are known for their ability to enhance indoor air quality by releasing oxygen during the night. This remarkable trait can lead to improved sleep quality, making orchids a wonderful addition to bedrooms. What's more, orchids are low maintenance, making them an accessible choice for plant enthusiasts. With their graceful appearance and air-purifying qualities, orchids not only enrich the ambiance of your space, but also promote a restful and rejuvenating atmosphere. Number 7. Rosemary. Rosemary is a fragrant herb celebrated for its memory-boosting properties. The invigorating aroma of rosemary has been closely linked to improved cognitive function, heightened concentration, and enhanced mood. Placing a potted rosemary plant on your desk or in your kitchen infuses the air with its revitalizing scent and serves as a natural stimulant for your senses. The mere presence of rosemary can invigorate your mind, making it an excellent choice for workspaces. Its ability to enhance productivity and mental clarity while adding a delightful fragrance makes it a valuable addition to any environment. Number 8. Basil. Basil is not just a culinary delight, it also boasts a range of health benefits. This herb is rich in antioxidants and essential oils that can significantly boost the immune system and aid in digestion. Consuming basil leaves in your dishes or simply having a potted basil plant in your kitchen can add a burst of flavor to your meals while promoting overall well-being. Basil's natural compounds contribute to improved gut health and may alleviate digestive discomfort. Its dual role as a culinary herb and a wellness enhancer makes it a versatile and tasty addition to your home. Number 9. Spider plant. Spider plants are best known for their impressive air purifying abilities. They efficiently remove indoor toxins such as formaldehyde and xylene, making them invaluable helpers in the search for cleaner indoor air. What sets spider plants apart is their ease of care and adaptability to various light conditions, making them an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. By adding spider plants into your indoor decor, you enhance the visual appeal of your space while significantly improving air quality and overall health, creating a more enjoyable and breathable environment. Number 10. Air plants. Belonging to the Tillandsia genus, are truly unique in the plant world, as they don't require soil for growth. These fascinating plants excel at absorbing indoor pollutants, effectively serving as natural air purifiers. Their low-maintenance nature and intriguing aesthetic appeal make them a popular choice for enhancing indoor air quality. Air plants are efficient at cleansing the air you breathe and add a touch of greenery to your space, effortlessly blending into various decor styles. Their versatility, combined with their air-purifying qualities, makes them a delightful addition to your living environment, promoting well-being while adding a touch of natural beauty. And there you have it. The top 10 houseplants that not only beautify your living space, but significantly enhance your health. If you're inspired to continue improving the air quality and well-being in your home, don't stop here. Make sure to check out this video, 10 Plants to Purify Air in the House, where we dive deeper into how certain plants can transform your indoor environment into a cleaner, fresher, and more invigorating space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content, full of gardening tips and health hacks. Until next time, life is better when you garden.